Hi everyone, this is RUFON and welcome to the wine making episode. So the first thing to do is choose an overripe Lakatan banana. Use weighing scale to weigh enough bananas. Now we have 8 grams. It is better to put bananas in the fridge overnight before processing them to become a wine. And tada! After 24 hours, this is now the banana. You can wash the frozen bananas to remove dirt and excess. While waiting, as optional, we can pick blue ternate flowers because it has also health benefits and good for pigmenting and adding some colors to our wine. And now, this is our ingredients: banana, blue ternate, tea, lemon, yeast, sugar, and raisins. So you can put exact amount of them. It's up to you of what kind of process you will do. Anyways, I used this blender as I needed 2 liters of water for my wine cooking process. Okay, this is only 1 liter and this one will be the second one. So let's wait for it. And then done. After that, let's prepare our bananas first. Use gloves and slice them appropriately. Let its skin stay because it can also help to produce such flavors. It is also optional to add raisins, but I believe raisins can produce more fruitful and juicyful taste to your wine. Basically, the banana wine. After adding the 2 ingredients, you can start heating them. So while waiting, you can try to add flavors by using the tea to your wine. And add it together with the raisins and bananas. And now, you can start mixing and punching them to produce more fruitful flavors to the water. Another option, you can add lemons to add some flavors again to your wine process. And then let it boil until it is well mixed. And now you can add your blue ternate flowers and then mix it again as the first process. As I experienced, it smells like a banana cake or a bakery shop, yet it produces smells all throughout the room. After cooking, you can put white towel to avoid dirt and let it cool for 24 hours. And now, this is what happened after 24 hours. Let's continue to the filtering process. And then, use a clean cloth to filter out the liquids from the residues, like this one. Do not force nor squeeze the cloth. Let it do itself. As you can see, this is not the leftovers. There are still falling juices. And then, repeat it again to another one. This is what it looks like after filtration. And now, let's filter it again for the whole process for the second time so that we can assure if the extracts are well cleaned. When it's almost boiling, you can now put the sugars. Specifically, I put 1/2 kilogram of white sugars because I have more or less 2 liters of liquids. You can mix the substance if necessary. After cooking, you can now let it cool for 5 hours before transferring it to the bottles. After 5 hours, you can use the funnel or filter to get the liquid inside the clean bottles. Do not tend to fill the bottle's mouth but let it stay on the neck. Add some warm water so that it can help the process inside the bottle. Get a towel so that it can help control the air inside and out of the bottle. Note, put also the lid. But remember, do not seal it in order to put some air inside the bottle. And then put it aside and let it cool for 24 hours. After cooling in 24 hours, you can now release the lid and the cover so that you can put the yeast. Put only 1 tablespoon to each bottle. It is really satisfying to observe on how the yeast goes down. Let it dissolve itself on it. Again, put the cover and put the lids on it. Wait for 3 days and let the yeast dissolve. This is now how it looks like after 3 days. As we observe, there is no more any yeast visible to the eyes. I think it's time to say goodbye for our wine in 3 months to 6 months or either 1 year. Note, cover the whole bottle with a cloth and put them in a dark area for the fermentation process. Choose a safe place until you get your wine for the next months. Thanks for watching!